Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix background crackling or unnecessary sound on Windows. So if you are having disturbing sound or unnecessary sound while you are recording or playing any sound audio on your system, then I'm going to tell you how to fix that in Windows. So there are multiple methods to fix it, guys, and I'm going to tell you one of the best method to fix it permanently. So before starting, guys, if you are new on channel, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. So let's start the video. So first of all, guys, we are going to start with first method, which is you have to go to sound icon, and we have to go to our playback. So where we are going to select the output device, and which is our speaker. So if you are playing audio on speaker and has a crackling sound or distortion issue, you have to select that one, and now go to the enhancement and disable all these things here. So once you disable, you have to apply, and just go to the advanced, where you have to select in format first one, 16-bit 44,100 hertz 3D quality. So you have to select this one, and uncheck all these exclusive mode. So if it is enabled on your system, just uncheck and disable it, and click on apply to apply. And now in special mode, it should be set to the off. So if it is on Windows Sonic for headphones, you have to disable it. Understood? And once you are done with this, now let's move to the second method, which is in which we are going to run troubleshoot to fix it if this method doesn't work for you. And the another method will help you to fix distortion issue on your system. So first of all, guys, what you have to do, you have to go to Windows setting, and you can go by directly by pressing window button plus I, and now go to the Windows update and go to troubleshoot. So once you reach the troubleshoot, you have to click on additional troubleshoot, and where you are going to select, so you can run troubleshoot on multiple issues. So here, and we are going to run on playing audio. Since you are having a problem with playing audio, where the cracking sound or unnecessary sound is adding up, so you have to run this troubleshoot, and it will first check the audio driver, and you have to select the audio output where you are actually having a problem. So you just select the output device. So since we are playing our audio on the speaker, so we are going to select. If you want to if you are basically listening any audio on headphone, you can select the headphone as well. So selecting both options will fix your problem. Now it will ask you to open the enhancement. Since we are done with this in the first method, so it will try to disable all the enhancement, and since you can see that your problem has been fixed, it will show here, so as green check. So once you're done with this, now you can check whether your unnecessary sound from your system has been removed or not. And if you are having a unnecessary sound when you are recording any sound or video on system, then guys, you can run troubleshoot on recording audio. Since I am recording this video and I'm using microphone right now, so if I will run troubleshoot, it will disconnect my microphone from my video recording, and also will make an effect on my recording as well. So guys, you just have to run this troubleshoot and follow the instruction, and you will be able to fix your problem by after running this troubleshoot. So yeah, these are the options you can apply to fix distortion and unnecessary sound in in your system. And yeah, these are the solutions. I hope you like it, and let me know in comment section if these methods work for you or not. And if it doesn't work, then I'll try to come up with more solutions in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.